Let's get straight to the rifle everyone's been asking about, Tikka's new T3x Super Varmint. The Tikka T3x Super Varmint is a purpose-built varmint rifle designed for extreme accuracy and shooter comfort. Sporting a heavy free-floating barrel and a rugged synthetic stock, it offers a wide range of adjustable features for precision work. In practice, the Super Varmint lives up to the hype. Reviews report sub-MOA accuracy at 100 yards with quality ammo, often well under 1-inch groups, and exceptional build quality. Stock and ergonomics. Roughtech stock. The Super Varmint uses Tikka's upgraded polymer Roughtech stock, green with black over webbing, for a tough, lightweight build. Cross-braced internal structure and a steel recoil lug ensure rigidity with no barrel contact. The forend includes a removable black panel that widens it from about 1.5 inches to over 2 inches. This deeper, wider forend grips sandbags or bipods better and prevents twisting, reducing bipod bounce when shooting from rests. Adjustable cheekpiece and LOP. A high-rise 4-notch cheekpiece lets you set your eye perfectly to the optic. The large polymer lock wheel on the stock side easily raises or removes the cheek pad. The rubber butt pad is thick and grippy. You can add or remove length spacers under it to fine-tune length of pull. In short, the rifle can be tailored to any shooter's build and recoil management needs. Pistol grip and ergonomics. Unlike a basic hunting rifle, the Super Varmint stock includes a more upright vertical pistol grip. This grip, included as standard, has a gentle palm swell and asymmetric texture instead of checkering, allowing a very natural, repeatable hold-off bench or tripod. The stock is described as nice and hand-filling in use. Overall, these features make the rifle quick to mount and shoot. One reviewer noted that snugging in behind the butt, wrapping my firing hand around the big pistol grip, adjusting the comb, is instinctive. 5-round magazine. The Super Varmint comes with a detachable 5-round magazine made of hard polymer with an easy release catch at the front. A follower marked M+ is tuned for magnum length cartridges like 6.5 Creedmoor. An optional 10-round magazine is also available. The magazine and trigger guard are polymer to help resist corrosion. In use, shooters report solid feeding. Just note to insert it fully vertical to seat correctly. Durability. Tikka's stock design has a rigid exoskeleton and foam fill to avoid any ringing or echo upon firing. The Roughtech finish is robust and grippy in any weather. In short, the stock is stiff and sturdy yet comfortable. Great platform for accuracy. Barrel, action, and muzzle. The Super Varmint's barrel and action are engineered for accuracy and durability. Barrel profile and finish. It wears a heavy varmint contour barrel, about 1.25 inch diameter at the receiver, tapering to 0.875 inches at the muzzle. The 6.5 Creedmoor models use a 1 to 8 inch twist barrel. All steel surfaces, barrel and receiver, have a tungsten Cerakote finish, which is extremely hard, weather-resistant, and non-reflective. This tungsten Cerakote not only looks stylish, military green and gray, but also adds corrosion and wear resistance. Free-floating cold hammer forged barrel. The barrel's free-floating, no stock contact, to maximize consistency. It's cold hammer forged over a mandrel to impart precise rifling. In fact, Sako notes that their cold forged barrels give out-of-the-box accuracy without the need for breaking in. Tikka guarantees 10 MA precision, 3-shot from the factory, but most reviewers have seen better. One test gun shot 0.26 inch groups, and all groups were under 0.8 inches. Muzzle thread and crown. The muzzle is cut with 5/8 24 UNEF threads and comes with a knurled cap. This thread pitch is standard for suppressors or muzzle brakes and leaves ample barrel shank for strength. The target crown is an 11-degree cut. In summary, you can easily attach any 5/8 by 24 can or brake, and the barrel is built to handle hot loads or sustain fire without overheat or whip. Bolt and receiver. The Tikka Action itself is a one-piece stainless steel receiver with a low 70-degree bolt lift. Its bolt has 2 massive opposing locking lugs, a single Sako-style extractor claw and plunger ejector. The cartridge head is fully enclosed by the bolt, aiding consistent ignition. Notably, the bolt is spiral-fluted, 6 intertwined grooves, which lightens it and keeps debris from jamming. The factory bolt handle is a large plastic ball, like the old Super Sport models, for sure grip in any weather. Rounding out the bolt features, there's a cocking indicator and an enlarged ejection port for easy loading. Safety and rails. A simple 2-position safety, forward fire, rearward safe, is mounted beside the bolt. A small button on the safety's front face allows opening the bolt while safe to unload the chamber. For optics, the Super Varmint includes a full-length Picatinny rail, 15 slots stainless steel in addition to the standard Sako dovetails. This extra long rail ensures plenty of room for big scopes or night vision attachments without stack overlap. If you made it this far and would like to see more, please like and subscribe. Triggers and controls. New Super Varmint equals 2-stage trigger. There's a short, light first stage to a defined wall, then the brake. From the factories, ours measured 4 pounds 9 ounces. Adjustment is straightforward. With a quick tweak, we set it at 2 pounds 8 ounce, crisp and consistent. If you want to chase even lighter for supported varmint work, an aftermarket spring can take you down near 2 pounds while keeping the clean wall and brake that made precise shots simple. The shoe has a slight curve and vertical serrations, which help in cold weather glove use and keep finger placement repeatable. The first stage takes up some slack, then a crisp second stage breaks decisively. In testing, it broke around 2.15 to 3 pounds out of the box, equivalent to 2 1/4 and 3 3/4 pounds. It has a short 6mm second stage travel and can be easily adjusted with a small hex screw by removing the action from the stock. Reviewers describe it as crisp and light, prepping you for a clean and deliberate pull. After dialing it in, 2 to 2.5 pound pull weights are attainable, which is excellent for bench shooting. Adjustability. The trigger unit is user adjustable from 2 to 4 pounds. Simply remove the action from the stock and a grub screw inside the housing adjusts pull weight. Factory spec uses 3 pounds on our sample. The majority of shooters leave it around 2.5 to 3 pounds for balance between speed and safety. The straight, serrated trigger blade helps give you a consistent release, even with gloves in cold weather. Safety and bolt. Safety is very simple. One click to safe locks the sear and prevents firing. As noted, you can still work the bolt on safe via the small release. Most shooters find this intuitive. The bolt catch, rear left on the receiver, simply holds back the bolt when lifted and closed. Otherwise, the action cocks on opening as usual. Overall, the controls are large and straightforward, favoring a serious shooter who wants quick manipulation over frills. In testing, the Tikka Super Varmint has proven extremely accurate and consistent, even beyond factory expectations. For example, sub-MOA guarantee. Tikka advertises 1 MOA accuracy, 3 shot for this rifle. In practice, multiple groups regularly came well under an inch at 100 yards. One reviewer shot .26 inch best group and had all groups below .8 inches, mostly around a ½ inch. Rifle shooters' tests with various factory loads showed all but one group under 1 inch, including a .65 inch 3-shot group with a Winchester 125 grain lead-free round. Hunting loads. Even heavy bullets did not degrade precision. For instance, 125 to 140 grain hunting rounds still clustered superbly, roughly on par with match ammo. Rifle shooter notes that their test 125 grain lead-free round did .65 inches at 100 yards. Another test with 308 150 grain Hornady American whitetail load made a .68 inch 3-shot group. The takeaway? This rifle likes long, high BC bullets, so expect excellent hit probability on game out to several hundred yards. Long-range capability. With that heavy barrel and rock-solid stock, follow-up shots stay on target. The free-floating barrel avoids contact that might shift POI as it heats. Shooters report being able to punch small gongs at 300 meters using hunting ammo in 6.5 Creedmoor, thanks to the rifle's inherent precision in the 2-stage trigger. Even with a moderate 2 to 3 pound pull, the shot breaks cleanly thanks to the trigger's light, predictable wall. Trigger effect. The 2-stage trigger deserves special mention. One tester found it surprisingly amiable for target shooting. The first stage settles your finger in place, and the second breaks crisply. The owner of one sample exclaimed that after 4 perfect shots, adding the 5th really blew their mind. The rifle was grouping so tightly even at 100 meters that he hardly dared pull the last shot. In short, the trigger encourages precise shooting. Reliability. In high round count tests, feeding and extraction have been 100%. The enlarged ejection port makes single loading easy, and the mag release works smoothly. The Action silky bolt and crisp trigger make it one of the sweetest rifles I've used, per one review. In cold or dirty conditions, the spiral flutes on the bolt allow snow or debris to escape, so the bolt stays smooth. Caliber options. The Super Varmint isn't limited to 6.5 Creedmoor. Tikka offers it in a wide range of calibers from Varmint through Magnum. 6.5 Creedmoor is the classic choice for long-range varmint and mid-size game. Tikka's own 6.5 cm Super Varmint 24-inch is what most reviewers tested. 223 to 308, in shorter 20-inch barrels, you can get 223 rim, .22 250, 243 Win, 270 Win, 308 Win, etc. But note the 308 SV is often still a heavy contour barrel, like a Varmint-style 308. Early reports show 308 models shoot very well with good loads. Magnums. In 2023 and 2024, Tikka added larger calibers. The Super Varmint is available in 300 Winchester Magnum and even 30-06 for extreme range or big game applications. These use a beefy 23.7-inch barrel or 24-inch barrel. All calibers use the same chassis and features, except twist rate and weight will vary by barrel length and cartridge. The official spec list shows calibers like 6.5 by 5.5, 7mm 08, 7mm rim mag, 6.5 PRC, 7mm PRC, etc., so practically any big game chambering you might want is covered. The twist rates vary accordingly, commonly 1 to 8 inch for 6.5 cm, for example.